Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications on the smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Zap application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Zap application on our phone that is paired with our smart band. In the app, you should see the home page right here. Now tap on the profile icon, select your Amazfit Band 2 from the list of devices, and now you should see the device page for your Amazfit Band 2. Wait until the devices are done syncing. And once it's done syncing, you can tap on more right here to open the whole category and notifications and reminders. And right here we have incoming call, app alerts, and incoming SMS. First, let's tap on incoming call. And these are the notifications for the calls. So if you receive the call on your phone, the smart band will vibrate and also display the contact information. If you want to enable the call notifications, tap on the switch. You can tap on Got It right here. As you can see, you have this warning message right here at the top. Basically, we need to enable a couple of permissions for the incoming call alerts to work. So we need to tap on the warning message, tap on Go to Settings to redirect us to Do Not Disturb Access. On this page, find the Zap application, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on Allow, and then tap on the back button a couple of times to go back to the application. Okay, so once you don't have the warning messages anymore, because it might be more than one right here, keep tapping on them and allowing the permissions until you stop seeing the warning message. So once you're done, you don't see any warning messages, your incoming call alerts should be working. You can also enable or disable the option to display the contact info, So once you enable it, you will be asked to allow more permissions, as you can see. So we can tap on warning message, tap on allow, and here we have it. Now it should be working. And below we have delay alerts. Basically, if you enable this option, the alerts on your smart band for the incoming calls will be delayed. And you can set the delay from 3 to 30 seconds, basically. Like this. And once you're done with the calls, let's go back, tap on the app alerts, and here we can set the alerts for the apps, basically applications on your phone. And we need to allow the notification access. So let's tap on the warning message, tap on OK. It's gonna redirect us to the notification access page. Here, select the Zap application on the list, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And as you can see, now we can enable the app alerts. We can tap on the switch, tap on Got It, and here we have it. Once you enable the notifications, you will see the list of applications installed on your phone, and basically we can enable or disable the notifications for these specific apps by tapping on the switches next to them to enable or disable the notification. You can also enable the option to notify you only when the mobile phone is turned off or the screen is turned off. So if the screen is awake, you're using your phone, you enable this option, you won't receive any notifications on your smart band, even though you're receiving them on your phone. If you disable this option, you will receive them on both devices. Okay, once we're done with the app alerts, we can go back and also tap on incoming SMS. And here we can enable the alerts for the messages by tapping on the switch like this. Okay, and at this point we should be able to receive the messages. So let's close the app, and I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Should be able to receive the messages on Discord. So, okay, now it worked. So as you can see, it popped up on our phone and also on our smart band. So it is working. And you can view the notifications if you miss them by opening the menu by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and then selecting the notifications option. And here we can check them. We can tap on them and swipe left, then tap delete to clear them. Like this. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.